So I've been buying and trading and then rebuying and retrading and selling and buying some more. A bunch of sneakers over the last couple weeks, and they're all finally here. So let's unbox them. What's up everybody? I'm Seth Fowler, and today I'm unboxing a ton of awesome sneakers, some of which I've been looking forward to for years, and other ones I didn't even know about until I got the box in the mail. First off, before we dive into the video, I want to give a huge thank you to the sponsor, Sole Premise. So if you've never heard of Sole Premise, which I don't know how that's possible because I talk about them all the time because I love Sole Premise makes some of the best sneaker bags out there. In fact, I think this bag can fit almost every single sneaker that we unbox in today's video because this bag can hold up to 5 pairs of sneakers. I mean, you got pockets on pockets. 2 sneaker pockets on the back, 2 sneaker pockets on the front, and then a sneaker pocket on the bottom for extra large shoes like Nike Air Yeezy 2s, which are not in the bag right now, but they could be because this sneaker pocket is huge. Also, there's this pocket in the middle for your laptop and all your delicate sort of tech stuff because we all have that sort of stuff right now. And the best part is that this bag and every bag on Sole Premise's website is TSA approved. So if you want to check out this bag or any of the other great Sole Premise bags that are available, make sure to click the link in the top of the description below and use my discount code SETH for 40% off. That's crazy. That's almost half. That is a lot of cheddar cheese you're saving. I'm out. So since I haven't done an unboxing video for a while, I feel like we should start things off with a bang. And so I'm gonna unbox this package, which I actually got in like 2 weeks ago, but I just haven't had time to unbox it. And I'm assuming, because this box leaves little to the imagination, that this is the new Kawhi 2 Goosebumps collaboration, which I have yet to see in person. And when it came in the mail, I didn't expect it to come in a box like this. Well, I didn't expect it to come at all. I didn't even know it was coming, so that was dumb to say. But regardless, here's the box. It's this special promo box. I love when New Balance, and I guess any other brand, sends over promo boxes. They're always so much more interesting than the standard retail boxes. It says, Kawhi G. Leonard. Is his middle name really G, or is that just for Goosebumps? Let me know in the comment section down below. I have no idea. And then you've got the New Balance logo and the Goosebumps logo on the side. And again, on the other side. I just went to a New Balance event recently and actually met a lot of cool people, specifically Joe Freshgoods, which I'm really excited about. He's one of my favorite collaborators, but unfortunately Kawhi was not at the event. He's not in the playoffs either, so I don't know where he was at, but he was somewhere. So inside the box, we've got, ooh, okay. So we've got a shirt and what looks like a note, and also a Goosebumps book. Okay, so this says New Balance Goosebumps. In celebration of his favorite childhood book series, Goosebumps, Kawhi designed this collaboration by drawing inspiration from the story themes. We've also got one of the books from Goosebumps. I've never actually read the Goosebumps books. I don't know why, but I guess now I can. So there we go. Scholastic Books, one of my favorite publishers growing up. There we go. Okay, and then we've also got Kawhi. Ooh, this is actually really sick. So on the front, it has the New Balance Goosebumps logo, and then on the back, it says Goosebumps, beware of the claw. That's actually fire. I really like this a lot. Underneath, we've got these sneakers themselves. This is actually my first pair of Kawhi 2s, and I've got to say it's definitely, design-wise, initially at least in my opinion, a huge improvement on the original Kawhi 1s. I didn't mind those shoes at all. I actually liked the way that they looked, but seeing the Kawhi 2s, they just feel sleeker and cleaner. And I think in this orange and green colorway, while orange and green is not my favorite colorway in the world, I think it does work pretty well on this shoe. This is definitely a sneaker that I plan to try out on the basketball court outside of the Apothecary office. So super excited about that. It's the first basketball court that I've been near to in so long. They've got this really interesting like little glossy detail on them, or glossy design on them. Looks like you've got trees and bats and then some sort of like castle or house or something. I've never read the book, so I have no idea what that symbolizes, but symbolizes something. And then on the back of the shoes, you've got New Balance, and then you've got Kawhi Leonard written on the tongue of the shoes right there. But a very, very clean sneaker. These feel so much lighter than the previous version, and they feel thinner too, which I like. Very cool. Huge thank you to New Balance for these, really appreciate it. And actually these shoes, and really any of the shoes that we're unboxing in today's video, would go great with the brand new Apothecary Wavy collection that's dropping Friday, April 29th at 11 a.m. Eastern time on apothecary.com. That was a mouthful, but this collection is fire. I have it somewhere around here. Here it is. Very clean looking sock collection. I really like this one a lot. It's got high stakes written across the top of the sock. Super clean collection. If you guys want to check it out, once again, Friday at 11 a.m. Eastern time on apothecary.com. I might also post this video on Friday, so it's probably happened already, but there you go. So moving on to the next pair of sneakers that we're going to unbox. It is this pair right here. Not sure which pair this is. I ripped off all the labels, so I have no idea. Let's cut this box open and see what we've got. You guys can't see the boxes. I feel like I should change my unboxing setup for these unboxing videos. Let me know if I should grab like a table or something. My old table that I used to use is now the like B-roll station over there, so I don't have a table anymore, but there we go. Ooh, this is a pair that I've been looking forward to for a minute. So inside this box, we've got pair of New Balances. Speaking of Joe Freshgoods, this is one of his New Balance collaborations. This is a pair that I've had in the past. It wasn't actually a pair that I got to keep. I got it from Kicks, and I ended up returning it because I kept a different pair of shoes. I ended up buying, I think, the Travis's that month, so I didn't grab these. But I ended up deciding that I really did want these, so I bought them off Goat. God, actually, that's a sick graphic on top. You got this American flag kind of in these clouds, and then it says, "Made for us." Hold up, let me lace these up really quick because I might actually just throw these on. These are fire. Okay, so here they are, the Joe Freshgoods New Balance 990 V3s in this sick outdoor clothes colorway, which comes in like this tan brown look with these blue hits, also some green on the heel. They also come with like green laces and blue laces. I went with the tan laces that were already started in the shoe because they were already started and I'm lazy and I wanted to do it quick. I think it looks good with the tan laces. I mean, it would also look good with the green laces or the blue laces. One of my favorite, if not my favorite, New Balance shoe of all time, collaboration or otherwise, actually, is the other Joe Freshgoods collab. Let me grab it really quickly. That is the Anatomy of a Heart 992s. A very, very clean sneaker. I just love this shoe. And this is a very clean follow-up. Like a really, really great follow-up. I love the 990 V3s. It's an awesome silhouette. And you know what? Now that I'm looking at these shoes side by side, I love how colorful his collaborations are. I also just like the look of the 990 V3s. Moving on to the next package. That is this guy right here. I think I know what this is because I see the shipping label and I think I know this is from Goat. So let me grab my scissors. We've got a pair of, there we go, New Balance. The Amongst Us collaboration or sneaker. Amongst Us Conversations Amongst Us. You may know or may not know what this is, but I'll tell you right off the bat, this is another Joe Freshgoods collaboration, his most recent collab with New Balance, and this is on the 2002 Rs. There was also a, I think a 550. I think it was a 550. I just didn't like that shoe as much as the 2002 Rs. At least, not the colorway. This is the first time I've seen him in person. It's funny, so I was just saying how much I liked colorful Joe Freshgoods sneakers. This one is kind of the opposite of that. It's not very colorful at all. It's kind of like creams and whites with some yellows and some blues. But man, this shoe is fire. And I'm definitely putting the blue laces in these guys. These are... I keep dropping them. I'm going to drop every single pair of sneakers in this video today, apparently. So, there you go. So, you've got sort of a ripstop material in the, I guess, the toe and then along the ankle area of the shoe. You've also got this really nice suede around the heel. And some nice yellowy orangey hits, which also seems like a suede or a nubuck. 2002R is just a sneaker that I love. Salehi Bembury did a bunch of collabs on the 2002R. New Balance just has so many hits, man. It's crazy. It's so crazy. If you're not on New Balance, well, please don't get on New Balance. It's already getting too crowded over here. I can't get sneaker releases anymore. But if you're not on New Balance, you should get on them because they're killing it. Joey Freshgoods. Thank you for the dope collaborations. Love these. I actually bought this pair right when they dropped because I didn't grab them on release day. I just couldn't. So I bought those on Goat. Let's get into the two final sneakers that we're unboxing. One is a pair that I traded for. I forget what I traded in order to get it. Okay, so for this pair of sneakers, I traded the Air Jordan 1 Rebellionaires. The pair that I got from the $20 sneaker collection. I sold this to myself and then traded for these. So this is a pair of shoes that I actually also got from Kicks but didn't end up buying. And I decided I really wanted it. If you guys want to trade with me on Trade Block, there should be a link in the description below somewhere. If not, just search my name on Trade Block. So inside the outer box, we have an inner box, and I'm sure this just already gives it away. So this is a pair of Nike Air Max 1s. It is the Patta collaboration. I'm not going to tell you which colorway it is, but you're about to find out, so here we go. Inside the box, as you guys can see, we got the Patta Nike Air Max 1s. This is a pair of sneakers that I love, and I decided I just need them. I needed them. Oh, there goes the box. And it is a pair of shoes that I plan to rock all the time because this sneaker is fire. It's crazy how such a little change to the upper of the shoe, just this waviness, really changes up the entire look of the sneaker and just really makes it, it transforms it into this beautiful, I mean, not that the Air Max 1 isn't a great looking sneaker, but it makes it so much better looking. It's crazy. I love the Air Max 1. I don't think you can make the Air Max 1 like a cleaner sneaker. You can just change it and make it look more unique. This looks more unique, and for me, this is something that I can definitely see myself rocking on almost daily basis. I love the little mini Nike swoosh on the toe. I don't know why I love those so much, but I love it when they do this. And the materials, well, not amazing. This sort of faux nubuck material, it's not bad. You just don't want to get it wet. But the colorway is clean. I think out of the 4 colorways that dropped, this one's my favorite, and then the blue one. I think it's like in the order of the releases. I like this one the best, and then the blue one's fine, and then the maroon's okay, and then the black's they're all fine. This one though, super, super fire. The only one that I really need. I'm not too pressed about getting the other ones. And we're doing an Apothecary photo shoot for an upcoming collection, I think tomorrow, and I'm planning to use this in that shoot. So super excited about that as well. Okay, so on to the last sneaker. Now this is another sneaker that I traded, and I believe for these I traded the Amamaniere Air Jordan 3s. Now you might be saying to yourself, well, what could this be? if you traded the A Ma Maniére Air Jordan 3s. Well, this, my friends, is an off-white sneaker that I've wanted for a very long time, and I've had, not in my size. Where did my scissors go? In this box, like I was saying, I've got a pair of sneakers that I've had before, not in my size, but a pair that I've always wanted in my size. I actually had this shoe in a different colorway, and at the time of the trade, and I think at the time of recording this video, this sneaker is worth like maybe $50 to $100 more than the A Ma Maniéres. Not 100% sure, but at the time of this trade, it was a good trade. It is very possible that the A Ma Maniéres get a lot more expensive as we go because they're just a really coveted shoe, but we'll see. So, inside this box, we've got an off-white Nike sneaker. This sneaker is part of the 10 collection. I'm not going to tell you which one it is. It's not part of the original 10, but it's part of like some of the new colorways of the 10. Good, there's paper around it. Actually, there's an Air Jordan 2 on there. Maybe that was a call forward to the upcoming Off-White Air Jordan 2 collaboration. But here we go. Inside the box, we have the Off-White Nike Blazer Mids, the All Hallows Eve colorway. Whew, look at this. Brand new. Obviously, they did probably try it on because the laces are kind of undone. Incredibly clean sneaker. Ooh, I love this shoe. So funny story about this shoe. I had the black pair that I got from StockX, and I went to Toronto with Yeezy Buster for something. I think it was like for SneakerCon or something. And he had this pair, and I remember looking at my pair and then looking at his pair and then looking back at my pair and being like, I made the wrong choice. I made the wrong choice. And Yeezy Buster, if you're watching this, you were right, man. It only took like 3 years for me to figure it out, but you were right. I will be switching out the laces to the blue laces because I think that's even cleaner. A shoe that I probably won't wear like a huge amount, but a shoe that I've wanted for a very long time and one that will be staying in the collection. I already had the A Ma Maniére 3s. I wear them all the time, and yes, while it would have been nice to have a fresh pair, I just didn't need it. So someone offered me this trade. I was like, that's a good trade. I'm gonna do it, and I did it. And so I'm happy that I did it. Oops, there we go. And I'm actually really happy with these sneakers. Actually, every single pair of sneakers that I unboxed is a pair of sneakers that I'm gonna wear. Seriously, every single one. Even the Kawhi basketball sneakers. Now those are shoes that I'll probably wear more so as a basketball sneaker, but at the same time, they are actually pretty clean. But just to give you guys a refresher, got the Pattas, got the Kawhis, got the Joe Freshgoods in 2 different colorways. There we go. And then of course we got the Off-Whites, which you guys just saw. I'm not going to take them back out of the box. Love all these sneakers. I was planning to unbox the Union LA Air Jordan 2s, but unfortunately, as you guys saw, all the orders got redone and I haven't gotten my invoice yet, so I have not gotten those shoes yet. But I did buy the other colorway on GOAT. I'm not going to tell you which colorway it was. And I will be dropping a review sometime soon, whenever that comes in. But regardless, super awesome unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to grab any of the Apothecary socks that are dropping, they drop on Friday, April 29th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Also, don't forget to use my sole premise code SETH for 40% off. It is an awesome code. It saves you a bunch of money. It's definitely worth it. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys like these kinds of unboxings, like these more informal unboxings. To be real with you guys, I just don't get the views like some of the other videos that I do, but I enjoy doing these a lot because it's like Christmas. I get a bunch of stuff, so it's awesome. But let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.